Alright, so welcome back to the original one and only Retrobat Lightgun version 2.0 update. I'm going to go through a little tutorial, show you guys how to download it, what's on it, what's going on, how to do it. I'll answer some of your questions here. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put this on a separate drive. It has to be named Retrobat. You need to change your drive letter to V. If you don't know how to change your drive letter, jump over to my YouTube channel. Here's a little video right here, how to change your drive letter. It's very simple. You must set it to V. No other letters, no other exceptions. Then you're going to go and find my mega link. You're going to download this file. This is what's in it. There's going to be a readme text, 3 splash videos, and your main build zip file. Just hit download, download the entire folder. Once you're done downloading it, you're going to get this folder right here that says Retrobat Original Lightgun Build. Don't worry about this one yet. That's going to be your folder. You're going to download that to drive V. Go ahead and open up that folder. Right here's a readme text. No one seems to bother reading this and then wants to message me with stupid questions. Read this. It explains everything you need to do. You're going to get this zip file right here. This zip file is what you need. This is your main build. You're going to take this, drag it out of this folder onto the root of your V drive. Now it's going to be here. You're going to unzip this. Do not create another folder to put it into. Just hit unzip or extract here. It will create this folder here, Retrobat. This is going to be your main build. Do not rename this. Don't change it. It'll mess up your paths. The build will not work. Once this is extracted, you can now delete the zip file. You can open up your Retrobat. Now here's your build. Also inside this build, it includes 3 splash videos. One for the AE light gun, one for the fusion gun, one for the gun for IR. You can copy all 3 of these. Go into your Retrobat main, go into emulation station again, videos, post them in the video folder. Once you're done copying those into the video folder, you want to open up your BAT GUI. Just double click on that. This is where you select which video you want to play. Just browse here. Go into your emulation station, video folder. Then you're going to select which video you want to play. That's all you need to do there. If your video seems to be too short, too long, you can change the video length here according to how long the video play actually is. Once you're done, you're going to come down here and hit save. Now it's going to play the video that you selected. Open up your readme file. It's going to tell you this drive is set right now for Gun for IR. You don't need to do anything else if you're using Gun for IR. It's already plug and play. If you're going to be using AE or Fusion or some other type of gun, this is how you change it. Read right down here. If you want to change it, follow these instructions below. These are the games you need to find and change in the Windows ROMs folder. You need to go into the third party folder. Here are your gun PIDs that you'll be using to change it. You'll also have to go find 2 games that are a JConfig exe. You need to change it in there. You just go into you launch the exe, go into the settings, select mouse 1 or mouse 2. You'll also have to go into Dream Raiders. It's called rconfig. You'll also have to go into TechnoParrot and set each game by changing the games through the emulator. It's very simple to do. Once you have everything set, or like I said, if you're using Gun for IR, it's already set for you. All you need to do is launch the exe. And here you go. Here's what you're gonna have on here. You have some Techno Parrot. I've changed the theme, added that. Big shout out to Scott for helping me with the blood splatter. Some bloody shotguns on there. He helped me with my logo for the light gun. There we go. Instead of that lame Windows thing, now we got the light guns up there. You're gonna have Dreamcast, MAME, Sega Mega Drive, Model 3, Nintendo, PlayStation 1, PlayStation 2. Yes, there is PlayStation 3 on here, but you don't see the category because they're running standalone in the Windows category. There's 3 PlayStation 3 games in there. PlayStation 2, you only see 1 game in this category, but there's several other PlayStation 2 games running in the Windows standalone category. You have Super Nintendo, Techno, Wii, Windows. And then you have your light gun category, which is all the games. You don't have to have all those other systems on. If you go into this light gun category, here's all of your games. But if you like having each system separate so you know which game is on which system, you can do it that way. Looks like there's about 126 games so far on this. The build is obviously never done. I'll keep adding more and more as we go. A couple questions have come up. Can I add other games to this, other ROMs? No, this is light guns only. Retrobat does not fully support light guns. I've edited all the emulators, set everything up myself, disabled Retrobat auto configure controls. Other games will not work this. This build must be kept separate. It's for light guns only. Another question. Do you have another link? I don't want to pay for Mega account. No, I don't. It's only $5. But I'm sure Arcade Punks will have this within a few days, so keep checking Arcade Punks. Use their link. Hopefully you guys like it, enjoy it. Hopefully you post some videos on Facebook, a little gameplay, testing it. Let me see what you think of it. Find any bugs, maybe message me here on YouTube. Let me know what you think.